What's going on YouTube? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want to make better gains, head right over to the student program, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge, you've got to follow me on my socials. For instance, I change the color of my eyes, which way I'm leaning in the market that day, and that can really help you guys get some really good entries and exits. And if you want to just know a little bit more about my life, follow me on Instagram, guys. I finally got one going, just some amazing times. I was just at the Bitcoin convention in Miami. Hopefully I'm going to be speaking at the ETH in Denver. Also, the next one that's coming up in Miami as well will be the Bitcoin convention as well. That's going to be in April 6th through 9th. Guys, amazing times headed our way for the crypto space. My gosh, guys, so many good things. I want to talk about a few different coins today, including Electroneum, Mana, and Bitcoin. Some amazing projects, guys. If you're not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button. Guys, I'm going to dive right into the price action. Guys, we're going to start with Bitcoin right here, and just some very predictable nice patterns playing out right here. And guys, I just wanted to talk all about them right now. Now, for instance, we had a lot of patterns with it playing out over the last several days. We could be getting a very big pattern right here, but I want to talk about some nice little support that we have trending kind of upwards here with some brief moments of oversold territory, and that would be right here, guys. And I would actually play both into those wicks and then play this descending tightening wedge right here. Very textbook, very clean, very clear as day. And guys, that's exactly what we're working with right now on the bigger time frames. Okay, this is on the daily here. So guys, this does tend to break to the upside, but what I have been saying even in my last video is that we're going to kind of get a sideways movement for about 5 weeks. That's going to be this phase right here. Okay, now the reason I say that is, remember, we just had a big run up. We're going to get a blow off, a sideways movement, and then we're going to continue on the super cycle, guys. There's no doubt in my mind we have some higher times headed our way. If you are making fiat money, put your money into cryptocurrency, specifically main coins, if you're not familiar with all the alts, but there's a lot of good projects out there. Solana, Luna, Cardano, Polkadot. Everyone's got their different poison, so to speak, guys. You can pick many of them in this case. And let me tell you, this super cycle is going to yield you some big gains. For those of you who know me, I'm big into Electroneum, I'm big into Link. I have a lot of these coins, and I'm going to be continuously trying to stack my bags and get as much as I can. Okay, why would you not? Now, what I'm going to be watching here for, even just on the daily, is a break of either this major resistance of the pattern and or support. Now, if we break the support, guys, we could easily even just go further down and retest trend right here. That's almost to be anticipated, but I would like to see more of a sideways movement and not another breakdown, having this kind of walk over like it's been. Notice how it's been kind of just walking down and walking down and walking down. Guys, we need to see some kind of support come in right here, which we do have. Okay, there is some support if you notice back here. Okay, that's where it was playing as resistance. So now it will play as support over here. If we were to just draw a line straight across, guys, you can clearly see that right there. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm kind of watching for. Watch for a pattern to play out, in which case we're going to cross the road, go down to the smaller time frames. We're going to go to the 1 hour and see what we see. And guys, we have a lot of wedge playing out in wedge theory. Okay, so for instance, I would have been playing it just like this. Remember to color coordinate. Make your patterns really jump out at you, so your charts do a lot of the work for you, so that way you can really maximize your profit potential here and make some serious money. Now, definitely some brief moments of overbought and oversold territory here. I would have been nailing those profits right there, guys. That's easy money all day. And just some easy stuff, and possibly even a chain working its way into the mix right now. Okay, now this is pretty tight, to be honest with you guys, so let's just see how this plays out. But that's exactly what I'd be looking at. And then, guys, yes, play the white patterns. I'm just going to do a few of them for you guys so you can get the idea. Play the smaller patterns. Oh, wait, hold on a second, guys. Click the wrong thing there. Right through here, just like so. Patterns within patterns, okay? And then nice little chains within, okay? And that's what's really nice. You can really predict where the price action is going in the immediate and really make some nice trades here in the short term. I'm just going to finish this chain for you guys. Get the idea. Okay, and then a nice little breakdown out of this one. That would have been a nice little target nip right there for me. Okay, you guys get the idea. Lots more to be filled out right there. Let's just jump to the end. Okay, so we had a nice ascending right into now a descending. We'll probably retest support of this pattern right here. Also remember color coordinate, guys. Got a nice bright yellow. Sorry for that was bugging there. It was bugging me immediately as soon as I saw it again. Go back, make these white again. Okay. And just keep moving along, guys. And that's exactly how I'd be playing this. Watch for the breaking of the major resistance and support in the patterns. And if you don't have anything pattern-wise, say like we break out here, play to at least estimated moving average. Okay, guys, that's exactly how I'd be looking at the Bitcoin price, guys. And remember, we are in an elongated super cycle, which is mimicking the second bull cycle. We have some incredible gains to be had. Do not miss this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to make some serious gains. Now, guys, let's jump right over to Electroneum. Definitely one of the most popular coins on my channel, and for just so many reasons why. But, guys, I've been so busy I haven't even been able to report on it recently. Let's talk about it. It's long overdue to be talked about. Let's just dive right into these big patterns here. Nice symmetrical right there with many patterns within patterns within. We just did this, guys. You know what to work with here. Right into some wedge theory. Okay. Excellent little chaining opportunities. And what's nice is this was basically all downward movement from all the way up here. For instance, you could pull up the Bollinger Bands. And notice here, guys, without me even knowing it, I know that's overbought territory. Okay, how did I know? Why? Because of the wicks, the volume, the combination, the pops. Every little thing lined up. The volume moving over the moving average. Everything was right there for us. Lots of indication plays for days. Okay, guys, I'm going to turn those off so you can see again. But you get the idea. Moving right down, right along. You guys get the idea. We've got another wedge right here. This one's a little bit oversold at one moment. I'm going to let that run. There, for instance, and that would be below the band as well. Notice the band would be oversold in this moment. Okay, guys, when you're looking for opportune buy times, find these oversold moments below the bands, fish with the Bollinger Bands all day, and then play barbell theory for your movements. Okay, so movement is about to come, guys. Get your bags ready. If you're looking at the Electroneum right now, definitely a nice move to be had. Let me know in the comments this video or next video if you actually catch this trade coming up, guys. Should be some easy money. If we do break out to the upside, for instance, retest trend, ride it to trend, ride it to 100, ride it to 200, minimally on the 1 hour, guys. Easy money all day. Now, guys, let's jump right over to Mana. I've been wanting to jump over to that for quite some time now, and for just so many good reasons. Mana is an excellent project, lots of good movement. I mean, we were just down at 1.6. I bought a little bit of Mana here in this oversold moment right here. And guys, I'm very glad I did. It plays out so nicely when you buy these oversold moments, especially after a massive dump or retracement, guys. I'm just going to dive right into the bigger pattern, which is jumping out at me here. Okay. Loosen this up a pinch. Okay. Now, this one's interesting. You can play this a few ways, but I think this is the best way to play it. So I'll be playing it just like that and then playing patterns within patterns. Same theories, but we've got to get way back up on trend, guys. We have a while to go, and I want to actually see us retest trend, getting a flipping of the EMAs minimally on the 1 hour so we can actually get some really good content. Oh my gosh, if we could get a pump like that, you know, for instance, a inverse Bart Simpson even, wow, that would just be a really nice video, even just for Mana there. Oh my gosh, that'd be so great to talk about. And guys, I really think this project is going to be worth like $10 within this year. So my bags are very heavily packed. I'm going to continue to pack my bags so I can continue to go on these Mana vacations. My gosh, guys, riding all free Mana, big bags of Mana, loving this project, guys. And let's just zoom out for a second and talk about the bigger time frames right here. Turn off my phone, actually. Now, yes, we've taken some really good profits, guys, but let's be real. I would not take profits until double this again if you've actually taken the same profits as me along the way. All right, remember, we took profit way back here. Here a few times, here again, here, and here again, guys, and we are just on fire with this. Now, this does have potential to break down and retest this zone, kind of like right here. If it does, guys, just an amazing gift, and let's be real, the whole market will be burning right along with it if that does happen, guys. And that's actually exactly what I'm looking at for Mana. But to be honest, guys, we will be back up on trend before you know it and retesting some new highs. And, guys, I'm not going to be, missing that. It's not worth something for me to miss. I'm going to have my bags packed so that way I can maximize my profit margin. and make a lot with mana here. Okay, guys? And that's all the time I have for today, guys. Just incredible times in cryptocurrency. If you guys are not subscribed yet and you're not making money, I always say, if you're not making around $1 million a year from scratch, what are you doing in crypto? My gosh, you just holding? To the moon? Guys, there's so much more to be done. There's so many options, and then once you learn leverage, you can do basically anything, and that's what the student program is for, guys. If you are not making those gains, sign up to the student program. I have students from trade schools come to me spending $50,000 to $100,000, not able to replicate over there, and then coming here and replicating in weeks, making good trades, making money. They have a little seasoned experience, but guys, if you're even just starting from scratch, you could be a professional trader in under a year, and that's just something that you want. That's something that you could bring home to the family as generational understanding. Give them the wealth of knowledge so that they can actually make these gains on their own. The ultimate goal in my program as a teacher is for you guys to not need me. And guys, just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.